The following portion of Daytime is sponsored by QC Kinetix Suncoast.
Many people living with chronic joint pain are told that surgery is their only option for relief. But our next guests say that's simply not true. Here to tell us about an alternative treatment are Lindsay Combs and Dr. Daniel Zuckerman from QC Kinetix. Guys, thanks for being here. We appreciate it.
Thanks for having us.
Lindsay, what can you tell us about QC Kinetix?
At QC Kinetix, we treat patients living with chronic pain. A lot of the time, these patients think that they're limited in their options. They've been presented steroids, opioid surgery. Unfortunately, those procedures only masking the symptoms. At QC Kinetix, we use regenerative therapies to target the root cause so that their body can naturally heal itself.
Mm-hmm. And doctor, what injuries or parts of the body do you usually treat?
We treat parts of the body all over. We treat mostly, our most common areas that we treat are knees, hips, low back, and shoulders. But we treat everything from head to toe. We treat from the neck down to the small joints of the fingers and toes. We also treat many patients with sports-related injuries. So we see people who come in with rotator cuff injuries, torn meniscus, and runner's knee. Our regenerative treatments stimulate the body's natural healing, so people can get better much faster than with traditional therapies.
See, I have a rotator cuff injury, so I'm listening. I'm very intrigued by this.
Great. We'll have you in.
Well,
we'll get an appointment.
I want to be able to simulate the experience of meds. So, Lindsay, can you tell us what patients should expect when they come in?
From the moments the patients walk in the door, they're getting state-of-the-art protocols, cutting-edge technologies. Every patient gets the ultimate concierge experience. We don't just walk them through multiple treatments. We really dial in on their specific condition and lay out all their options.
Mm-hmm. And doctor, what are you hearing from patients when their feedback?
We have great results. It's actually one of the best parts of my job is getting to hear all the great results that we get. Most recently, we had a woman who came in who just really enjoyed exercise, and her knee pain was making it so she couldn't exercise anymore. We treated her with no downtime, and now she's back to doing her lunges, which she loved.
That's great. What about for you, Lindsay?
I think one of my favorite patient stories is recently we had a gentleman who had inflammation in his wrist. It was really slowing him down. He was having trouble brushing his teeth in the morning. He was having problems typing on the computer. After 3 months with us, this gentleman had reported that he had improved productivity at work and was also, experiencing more enjoyment in his personal life. So I think that's a huge success.
That's a good point. A lot of people might think that they have to be into fitness or work out in order to need something like this, but in reality, we ache our muscles and our bones every single day. Mm-hmm. What are some other workplace-related injuries you see people come in to treat?
Well, I had recently I had a physician come in who I worked with in the past who had knee injuries that were making it so he was going to have to seek an early retirement. We treated him with no downtime, and now he's back to seeing patients.
You know when the doctors are coming in to see you, that's when you know you got something good here. And okay, Lindsay, for people, if they want to call, what happens?
Call the number on our website. We will get you an appointment as soon as possible. It is a complimentary consultation, so please come in for an exam with one of our providers.
Sounds good. Lindsay Combs, Dr. Zuckerman, thanks so much for your time. We appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And everybody to learn more about QC Kinetix and their multiple locations in the Bay Area, you can call 813-305-3000 to schedule that free consultation. And Daytime will be right back.
The preceding portion of Daytime was sponsored by QC Kinetix Suncoast.